That sound. That horrible, grinding, wake-up-the-neighbors sound. If your garage door opener sounds like a dinosaur in a metal shop, you're gonna want to see this. Today, we're testing the Genie StealthDrive 7155 Connect, a smartphone-controlled belt drive opener that promises whisper-quiet operation, battery backup, and smart home integration. But does it deliver? I installed it myself, lived with it for weeks, and found some surprises, both good and bad. Key features and real-world benefits. Let's start with what makes this opener special. The 1.25 horsepower DC motor paired with a steel-reinforced belt drive is like swapping a jalopy for a Tesla. Smoother, quieter, and way more refined. I tested it side by side with my old chain drive, and the difference is insane. While my neighbor's opener sounds like a garbage disposal, this one purrs like a kitten. Perfect if your garage is near bedrooms. The battery backup is a game changer. When a storm knocked out power last week, mine kept working like nothing happened. No more manual lifting when you need to get out in an emergency. Smart features that actually help. The Aladdin Connect app lets you control your door from anywhere. Forgot to close it? One tap. Letting in a dog walker? Send a virtual key that expires. Amazon deliveries? Packages go safely inside your garage with Amazon Key. And yes, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. But here's the coolest part. Real-time alerts. My phone buzzes every time the door opens or closes. No more wondering, did I leave the garage open? While on vacation. Installation. Easier than you think. Now, let's talk setup. Genie claims it's easy to install. And mostly they're right. The 5-piece rail snaps together without tools, and the built 3D instructions, yes, an app that shows you holographic steps, are genius, but there are hiccups. The included 22-gauge wiring is flimsy as spaghetti. If your garage isn't pre-wired, budget extra time, and maybe thicker wire. Also, the wall console buttons are notoriously finicky. Mine didn't respond until I wiggled the housing, a known issue Genie's support admits to. Fix? Press the circuit board buttons directly. Annoying, but works. Want to see my full installation bloopers and tips? Click the link in the description for a step-by-step guide, plus today's best price. Performance and reliability. Once installed, this opener shines. The auto-reverse sensors stopped the door perfectly when I tossed a box in the way. Travel limits were easy to set once the buttons worked, and the DC motor adjusts power based on door weight. No more jerky movements. Battery life? With daily use, the backup lasts 18 to 24 hours per charge. For outages, that's plenty. And the belt? Zero stretch after weeks of use. A big upgrade over rubber belts that sag over time. How it compares to competitors versus the Chamberlain B970. Both have battery backup, but Genie's belt is quieter than Chamberlain's chain. Chamberlain's app, MyQ, is more polished though, versus the LiftMaster 8550. W. Similar smart features, but LiftMaster's motor is stronger for heavier doors. Genie wins on price. It's $100+ cheaper. Versus the Ryobi garage door opener, Ryobi's battery lasts longer, but Genie's steel belt will outlast Ryobi's rubber one. Bottom line, the StealthDrive 7155 is the best balance of price, quiet operation, and smart features in its class. Still debating? Click below to compare live prices on all top smart openers. Updated hourly. Who should buy this? This garage door opener is perfect for light sleepers. It's library quiet. Storm-prone areas. Battery backup equals peace of mind. Tech lovers who want app control and alerts. Skip this garage door opener if you need HomeKit support. It's Alexa Google only. You hate DIY quirks. Those buttons, ugh. Your garage door is over £500. Opt for LiftMaster instead. Final verdict. After weeks of testing, the Genie StealthDrive 7155 earns a 8.5 out of 10. It's quiet, reliable, and packed with smart perks, though the button issue and flimsy wiring are legit frustrations. For under $300 though, it's a steal compared to premium brands. If you want a smart silent opener without breaking the bank, this is a stellar pick. Just keep a screwdriver handy for those buttons. Ready to upgrade? Click the link below to get the best deal today. Use code SILENT10 to save an extra 10%. Smash like if this helped, and subscribe for more real-world gadget tests.